Hi, this video will assist you with familiarizing yourself with the user interface of the QQL Virtual Art Gallery. I'm going to show you how to sign in, how to move and fly around, how to call up information about a painting, how to access and use text chatting, and where to find extra information about the collections exhibited in this gallery. Let's start with signing in on this panel that says Sign in as a guest. The first thing you need to do is to type in your name tag. You can choose to have the device remember you if you want that. When you're done, hit Enter. You will then see this loading screen with thin white progress bars along the top and bottom of the window. They grow longer from the left to the right to show you the percentage of completion of the loading. Depending on the speed of your internet connection, the entire loading process should take about 15 seconds. Once the space is fully loaded, you will be presented with an animated Quick Start Guide mini tutorial showing you how to navigate and how to bring up the controls toolbar. To look around, you can change the direction of your gaze by pressing and holding the left button on your mouse while moving your mouse around. To move around in the space, you should use the cursor keys or the WASD keys as depicted in the mini tutorial. If you're a gamer, you will prefer to do what I always do. I rest the fingers of my left hand on the WASD keys and my right hand on the mouse for looking around and changing the direction of my gaze. Note that the direction in which you are looking is also the direction in which you will move when you use the keys to move or fly forward. To access the controls toolbar, which we call the dock, you can use the keyboard shortcut key for the letter C, as in Charlie, or you move your mouse pointer to the bottom of your frame. To close the Quick Start Guide mini tutorial, move your mouse to the top of the panel of the tutorial, and then click the X in the top right corner of the bar that appeared on top of the frame. If you're interested in a particular painting and you would like to take a very close look at it, simply approach the painting. When you come close to it, two buttons will appear near the lower right corner of the painting. If you click the HD button, this will load the high-resolution version of that painting into its frame. Clicking the information icon below the HD button will make an information panel pop up with details about the artwork, including clickable links to yet more information. Now let's go to the auditorium. This is where speakers can give presentations and take questions from an audience. Notice the big screen with the play button in its center. You can click anywhere on the big screen to play the video. If you click on it again, it will pause. One more thing that we want to tell you about moving around in this gallery is that you have superpowers here. You are able to fly. If you want to fly, bring up the dock, that is the controls toolbar, and click on the button for flying. You will see that your avatar lifts up a bit from the floor and starts levitating. Now use your mouse to point your gaze in the direction that you want to fly, and use the cursor keys, or WASD keys, to fly in that direction. You can access the text chatting panel via the same controls toolbar dock near the bottom of your frame or your window. Simply type your message or question at the bottom of the text chat panel. You can close the text chat panel when you are done. Finally, if you would like to read additional information about the collections exhibited in this gallery, you can do so by clicking on the information button in the dock and exploring the available options. The Quick Start Guide brings back the initial mini tutorial, while the other windows provide more insights about the various collections exhibited in this gallery. To close any of these panels, just click the X in its top right corner. That concludes this brief explanatory video about how to sign in, navigate, fly, appreciate the paintings from up close, use the text chatting system, and access extra information about the exhibited collections in this QQL art gallery. To start using the space and immerse yourself in the artistic experience, click on the link provided in the description of this video. Thank you for your attention, and we look forward to seeing you inside.